Hey, how's it going? This is another Forex, this is another Trading Frenzy review, and in this video what we're going to be reviewing is the EA Builder, which is an auto trading tool, which is one that creates indicators and strategies without programming, which makes auto trading much easier if you are a Forex trader. So to start off with, some of the biggest key points here is the EA Builder is MetaTrader 4 and 5 supported. It also supports TradeStation, EasyLanguage, as well as binary options, which was a new feature which was added. The EA Builder can also create unlimited indicators for free, create strategies with a one-time upgrade, as well as a full comprehensive library of video tutorials. So you can discover the possibilities, and there are various. You can get custom arrows and alerts, you get automated trading system, and you can trade just about anything, whether you're doing stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, Forex, all with no limitations. What's inside? So it's quick and easy. The best thing about EA Builder is that the work is pretty much done in a few clicks. And you can turn your trading idea into an automated system within minutes without hiring a programmer, without knowing anything about programming. Even professional programmers appreciate the benefits of creating indicators and strategies with a few short clicks. Like I mentioned before, you can trade anything from Forex, stocks, and futures. You can create strategies to trade any financial instrument available in any of the three most popular trading platforms which the EA Builder supports, which is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and TradeStation. And the interface as well is very intuitive and extremely straightforward. So you can start creating your first strategy or indicator within minutes, and there's nothing to install, no complex software, no large file size, because it's a purely web-based application. The creation is pretty straightforward, and every feature has a pop-up tip that guides you with a short explanation so you never get lost or confused. On top of that, it's got loads and loads of features. All it takes is a single click, especially if you only want to trade at specific times of day, where you want to do things like limit the number of trades or the duration of the trade. And like I mentioned before, custom indicators and functions, you get alerts, all incredibly powerful and important in your arsenal as a Forex trader. You get money management, so you can set up with a few clicks and ensure that your account is never exposed to substantial losses. Get nice output. You can also do binary options, and there's also video tutorials. There are 15 video tutorials in all, which is contained inside EA Builder, and they each range from 2 to 7 minutes in length, and it's designed to purely help you discover the full potential what this tool provides you. Creation is demonstrated in both the MetaTrader 4 and TradeStation, and you'll get step-by-step guidance on how to design, backtest, and optimize a winning strategy. And in this video here, you could check out by seeing how you can create indicators that will notify you about the latest training opportunities, which you can check out on the page. And some of the other video tutorials which are included in EA Traders include things like how to create strategies, daily breakout strategy, daily breakout with pending others, strategy optimization, money management, demonstration, trendline breakout, automated entry, create EA from custom indicators, and much more. And you'd also get a bunch of bonuses chucked in as well, which is great value. So the EA Builder is definitely worth the money if you're serious about Forex trading, whether you're starting out, whether you've been in the game for a while, regardless of your experience level. You can get started in minutes, whether for free, or you can sign up here. And I hope you guys get some great value out of this review, and just a few troubleshooting, a few frequently asked questions which was answered here. Is it suitable for beginners? Yes, it's although programming has traditionally been a job for IT professionals, now with the arrival of EA Builder, anyone can create indicators and strategies, so yes, no programming experience or special skills required. You can start immediately. You can register for free and upgrade later. It's only a one-time payment. You'll get access to the ultimate fully functional product, so there are no hidden costs, no hidden fees. You can get started. And yes, it works on all three platforms for a single payment. So the free version, you can create indicators with MetaTrader 4 and 5, technical analysis tools in TradeStation, and in the unlimited paid version, you can also create automated strategies for all three platforms. This is a web-based application like I mentioned before, so you don't need to download or install any fancy software, any tools. It's compatible with all major web browsers, so yes, it will work on a computer. So if you're a Forex trader, if you're a trader of any sort who's serious about making a lot of money online, or you want to make your trading easier, then I highly recommend EA Builder. So you can check it out on the link below, or the links in the annotations which are provided in this video, and I hope you get some value out of this. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon.